Hello friends, we are back with another video and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and from one end we are trying to fold something like this, taking the middle part, again folding something like this. This is how we are taking the third part and folding similarly, and last, the fourth one, we are making the plaits and we are trying to cover it something like this over here. Now we will see the next thing, and this is how we are trying to create this beautiful plaits over here, and this is how we are proceeding further with the plaits look, and we will try to take the hair one by one from this beautiful plaits look that we are trying to make over here. And this is how we have made such a beautiful bun over here, a nice plaits look over here, so that it looks something like this. And this is how we are trying to cover it till the length of the hair, and this is how it is looking like this beautiful shape. Now it's time to create another hairstyle, and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and making this pattern around it. We are giving this beautiful plaits look over here, taking one by one all the hair over here, and we are tying it with the length, and this is how it's done. Next, it's a silky hair that we have made, and this is how we are trying to give this beautiful plaits look over here. From the front part, it is looking something like this beautiful hairstyle, and from the back, this is how we have made beautiful patterns over here. Now this is half pony that we have done, and taking the other parts, we are trying to give this beautiful shapes over there, and this is how we have made such a nice cute ribbon shape. And now we are trying to make the plaits over here, small plaits using the small left out part of the hair, and this is how we are opening the hair like this and folding it further and making the middle flower, and it's a nice hairstyle. Now it's another thing that we will make, and this is how, after tying the two ponies, this is how we are taking and putting the hairs inside and making this beautiful nice bun look that we have created. Now it's time to create one more beautiful look, and this is how we are trying to put the hair inside and making this patterns out here. Now we'll make another beautiful bun and clutch it out, and this is how we will fold the remaining part and make this Chinese bun. Now it's time to create one more hairstyle, and this is how, using this bun maker, we are taking and folding the hair, and this is how we are rotating it further so that it gives beautiful bun look when we'll complete it. Now after tying this pony, this is how we are trying to rotate it further and glitching it out so that it looks like a beautiful bun, a Chinese bun. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are rolling it further so that it gives beautiful bun look. Now we have made pony, and this is how we are putting the hair inside, and this is how we are tying it and glitching it with the help of matching band. Next, it's a pony that we have made, and this is how we are making another beautiful bun look over here. Now after making this pony, this is how we have given this nice look, a kind of bun look, and clutching it out further, it's done.